How to make Instagram story music longer than 15 seconds. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make Instagram story music longer than 15 seconds. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Instagram. Now there is no direct way you can do this, but there is a simple trick I'll teach you guys. So open up your story and choose any photo. And after you've done that, tap on the music icon on the top. After you do that, choose a music. So choose any music that you want to add. So let me choose a music. Then tap on next. After you've done that, you can then see the timer option. If you click on it, you'll notice that you can actually only choose 15 seconds for a music. So right here, I'll just put it on the first. So these are gonna be the first 15 seconds. If I tap on done and post this story, I will post the first 15 seconds of this music. So that's the first step. Now the second the trick that we will use is put another story. So head over to your story section, choose any other photo or the same photo, and then tap on the music icon. Then choose the same music. And after you've done that, since we've posted the first 15 seconds, now all you have to do is edit this video, I mean the music, such way that you put the second half of that music. So after you've done that, tap on the done button and then post this story. Now this way, if you head over to your story, it'll actually be the first 15 seconds and followed by another 15 seconds of the story. And that's how you can make Instagram story music longer than 15 seconds. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.